Hello and welcome to the 7th tutorial. So today we are talking about sections, subsections and type sizes. So without wasting time, let's see how to do this. So I'll use the wizard, go to quick start, and I'll change the title to sections and subsections. Alright, and then I'll click OK. So let me first save that. And sections.tech. Okay, so normally when you're writing a document, you want to group them into sections and subsections. Okay, so this way you're able to easily create table of content. All right, so let's see how to do this. So to create, let me first call my make title. Okay, so to create a section or subsection, it's really easy. Let's first talk about the sections, and after that I'll talk about subsection. All right, so I'm going to say /section. Okay, so this is how to create a section. Then you have to name the section. So let's say introduction. Right, that's my section. So anything I type here now is going to be under the section introduction. So not to waste time, I have copied some text. Okay, so that's it right here, and then I'm going to leave that. I'm going to use this text. Okay, so if I want another section, maybe section, maybe second section. I'm really out of words. I don't know what I should name this section. So section, second what section. All right, and then let me also put something right here. So let's compile this and see what we get. Okay, so as you can see, we have introduction as our first section, and you see how it is naming all of it for us. So yeah, the first one being our section introduction, and then the second section. You can continue adding sections. Let's add one more. So let's say section, maybe third section, and let's paste something else. So okay, compile that. All right, and now we have 3 sections. All right, so let's see how to add a subsection. So if you want to add a subsection into a section, all you have to do is to do /subsection. So /subsection, right, and then let's call it intro subsection. Right, intro subsection, and then let's also paste something here. Just going to reduce it a little. Okay, so maybe up to here. So intro subsection, and then let's add another subsection. So subsection and intro subsection 2. Right, so I'm also going to paste something here, and then let's remove some of it. Okay, so let's compile this and see what we get. All right, so you can see what's happening. So introduction is our first section, and then you can see we have 1.1, which is a subsection of the intro, right, and it's naming them 1.2, another subsection. So we can continue adding more sections to this and more subsections to this. All right, we even have subsection. Okay, so let's say we have intro subsection 2, so we are going to create a subsection. So /subsection, and so let's call it intro subsection. Right, and then let's also paste something here. I'm going to remove some of it. Right, and let's compile this. Okay, so you see the way number them. So it means another 1.2 subsection. We have another subsection which is 1.2.1. Right, this is simply how to create sections and subsections. Now let's quickly take a look at type sizes in LaTeX. most of you are asking how to increase font size and all of this in latex. It's really easy how to do this, right? So let me just show you. I'm just going to write the type sizes that are available in latex and how we will use them. So we have the tiny script size and footnote size, small, so take note of all of these. We'll be using them, right? So let's see how to use. I'm not going to use all of them, but I'm just going to show you how they are different, and then you can practice all of them on your own. Okay, in fact, let's just use one of them here. So backslash, let's say large. So watch how the font size changes in the whole document, right? Okay, so you can see the font size changed in the whole document. So in order to apply maybe the size or the type size to a particular line or section, all you have to do is to include it. This is the way I do it. So what I do is I copy the whole section. I want it to be large, so I copy that, and then I put curly braces, right? So I close and open curly brace, press enter, and put here backslash, let's say large, right? Then I paste my content. So see the difference. Okay, so you can see the first introduction is the only one which is having a large font size, right? So in this way you can apply the rest of them. So let's try the huge, maybe on the second section. So this is the second section. I'm just going to apply the huge to that. So backslash, okay, let's put it in. So that's backslash huge, and then paste my content. Then let's compile and see what you get. Alright, so this is the huge. You can see how big the text are now. So this is how easy it is to use the type sizes. Alright, so thank you for watching the tutorial. If you enjoyed, please consider subscribing and then liking the videos as well. Thanks for